welcome to my YouTube channel. And I posted a video in the midnight that my ring light stopped working and I was supposed to make some videos. I really didn't expect it to stop working at that time, so you can watch that video to just catch up with her. In the video I said I was going to work on it. I was going to get someone to fix it for me. This morning I decided to let me just see what happened. Let me just try my luck and see. So I decided to open it up. I opened the ring lights up. So this is it. I already fixed it actually, so you just couple it, but I feel like, oh, I should let everyone know and everyone see the process I went through while repairing it. So this is an 18-inch ring light. So if this type is your own too, you go ahead and open this side up. You see this hole? That's a screw hole. So you just open this side up. That's the screw hole. You unscrew it, and this other side too has a screw hole. Can you see? So you unscrew it and use the flat side of your screwdriver to open it up. You open it all around. So after that, this is what you're going to have. Then also you use your screwdriver. Make sure you're using a small screwdriver, a tiny one. You open this side up. There's a screw here. There's a screw here. There's a screw here. And here too. So you open it up, and after opening it up, this is what I have. After that, this is what you're going to see inside. This is where you connect your adapter to. You're going to cut it off and remove it. So this, let me just show you how it is. Just cut the wire. This is the wire. See, I'm just moving. This is the wire. This is what I cut out of it. This is the wire. So just cut it off and place your control button. You place it very well and pass the wire to the back. So just pass it to the back. We have the red and the black. The next thing is your adapter. This one. This is your adapter. You cut it off too. This is why I cut out of it. This is this thing. You all know this. You all know this. This is why I cut out of it. So, and this is it. So the next thing you're going to do is to connect both together, red to red and black to black. Will you watch me do it? Remember, red to red and black to black. Yeah, I'm done. So now that you are done, this is what you have. Then now I don't have what to use to separate it, but you can use a paper tape or a rubber tape. You can use it to separate it. You just use it to wrap it separately, and that is it. Your ring lights work. I'll show you now. I'll show you before I couple it. So after showing you, I'll now couple it. I'll make a video like show you. I'll then couple it. So even right now, I'm not using any lights. This is the light I have, and it is not working now. And I just finished repairing it, so I'm just going to like plug it, and I'll show you that it is not working. So after that, I'm going to just pack everything. Okay, see all what I removed from it. I'm just going to just pack everything. I have the screws here. See, all the screws. I removed like 6 or 8 screws out of it, or 7 or so. I have the remote in case if your switch is giving you problem. You can use your remote to power it on and off. So it is not working. So guys, this is what I was talking about. So it is plugged now. This is the light. This is the light. I'll be using this remote to on it. So I'll just off it now and use this. I'll just fix it very well. So I'm not going to use this one now till I have a paper tape or a rubber tape to separate it. But let me just show you, because it is plugged now and this is it. So I'll use this one. I'll go first here. So let me just put it off. Now let me use this. That's it. If you need a full video of how I coupled my 18 inches ring light, I added a link to this video, so you can check on the link to see how I coupled everything. Thank you all for coming back again to watch this. Don't forget to stay on this channel, and if you are a new subscriber, we love you here, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you all.